Woo! Fabulous. Follies can be fun. Just been up in that folly structure up there, just outside Castle Semple Loch. And we're lucky enough to meet a band called Brand New. So Scott and Bill and I were fortunate enough to meet a rock band up there performing tonight in the O2. So all the best to you guys, and it was really nice meeting you. This striking octagonal building is the Kenmure Temple, also known as the Tower on Kenmure Hill. It's a ruin. It was built in the early 1730s as a landscape feature. It was designed to be viewed from the former Castle Semple house, and it offers panoramic views of Castle Semple Loch, Parkhill Wood and the surrounding countryside, including views out to Paisley and Glasgow if it's a clear day. It's reached by foot via walking trails from the Castle Semple Visitor Centre, and the most common route is along the Semple Trail. You can follow the marked trails such as the Kenmure Hill Loop, which is a moderate walk. That's the one that we did today. A popular route from the Visitor Centre is approximately 4.79 kilometres, which is about 3 miles, one way to the temple, with an overall walk duration of around 2 to 3 hours for the longer loops. As I said, the temple is a ruin. The roof windows and the external stairway are gone. However, the main structure is still upstanding, and the site is a rewarding destination for any walkers. It's a good spot to have your lunch once you get there. If the sun is shining, you can lean against the wall and have your cup of tea. Not bad, huh? Woo! Fabulous. Follies can be fun. Let's go again. Oh, I almost forgot, please don't forget to subscribe and like, of course, and leave a comment. That's always good. Thanks very much.